Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Studio. In this video I will teach you how you can draw this simple 3D model. Okay, so these are our dimension. If we take this one, this is our front view, so we have to uh, draw the sketch of this front view. Okay, we will not consider this part. If we see from this side, then we can say there are this is T shape. Okay, so we will draw this one. First, we know that the distance from here to here is 40 millimeter, and the height is 10 millimeter, and the total height is 38 millimeter, and this one is 16 millimeter. Okay, and so let's start. First, here we have to select the front plane. Okay, and then go to sketch. Now we are in sketch mode, and here you can see that the icon of the sketch. And now we will, in the sketch, here you can see that we will select the line. Okay, so we'll select the line, and then we will draw the line. Okay, so we will draw the shape that is similar to this one, but this could be a rough sketch. We will give the dimension at the end. Okay, so we just draw the rough sketch, and now we will go to the dimension, and we will select this point and this point, and we know that this is 40 millimeter. Okay, and we know that this height is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, and we also know that this one is equal to 16 millimeter, and height from this line to this line is 38 millimeter. Okay, so here you can see that some lines are black and some lines are blue, and blue lines, it means that our sketch is not fully defined. So before going to into 3D, for first we have to make this as a fully defined sketch. Okay, and here we can see that this must be also 10, so we can give dimension to this one is equal to 10. Okay, we also know that this is at the center of this one, so from here we can select a center line as a reference line. So we just draw a vertical line, and here you can. Okay, and now we will select this point, then press the control. Okay, this point, and then this line. Okay, now we have selected these 3 points, and from here we'll select the symmetric. So now you can see that it's symmetric. Okay, so here you can see that these lines are black, are fully defined, but these two lines are still not fully defined. You can see it's a blue line, and if I drag this one, so I can drag. Okay, so we also have to give the dimensions. So we go to sketch, and we'll select this line, and from this line, and we make it 20. Okay, now our sketch is fully defined and prepare for extrude. Now we will go to the feature, and then here we will select extrude. Okay, then how much we want to do extrude? The extrude length is equal to 40 millimeter. So from here we can select the mid plane. Okay, then it will take the mid plane as a reference, and then extrude around this one. So here we will put the 40. Okay, and then set. Okay, so now we have created our front view. Here we can see that we have created this one, and now we need to create this one. Okay, so what are the dimension of this one from this side? So at the center it's 10. We can say this is 10, and from here to here is 25. Okay, and the total distance from here to here is 40, and here to here is 20. Okay, so now I will draw this one. This is 22, and this is 10. Okay, and here is 25. So this time we will select this face. We need to select this face. We can select this face, or we can select this face. Both are okay. Let's suppose we select this face, and then go to sketch. Okay, now we are in sketch mode. For reference, we can draw a center line. So we draw a center line from here to here. Okay, now we need to draw a line, horizontal line, and we know that this line is 10, so we just draw 10. Okay, but we also need to make it symmetric because it's center, so we will select this point, and center line, and then again select this point, and then this center line, and then go to symmetric. Now we can see that this line is exactly at center. And similarly, we know that the bottom line is we draw a bottom line that is 22, so we just give the dimension this as 22, and we know that this also must be a symmetric around the center line, so we will select this with the help of control, then this one, and then we'll select the central line. Okay, and then we go to symmetric, and now we can just this line with this line, and this line with this line. Okay, and we also know that the height from here to here is 25, so we go to this line, and from here to here we will put the 25, and now you can see that our sketch is fully defined. Okay, and now we can extrude from this to this surface, and here we will go to the feature and then go to extrude. Okay, we don't know the distance from here to here, and we want to extrude from this surface. Then from here we can select up to surface tool. Okay, then we need to select this surface, and now you can see that it's extruded from the surface, and then okay, see, now we have created this, and similar we need to create at this side. Okay, so here we can select the central plane of this one, and then from the feature we can select the mirror. Okay, mirror, and here we need to select this feature that we have created because we want this feature at this side, so this is exactly mirror at this face, so we will select from in the feature mirror, we'll select this feature, and you can see that the feature is showing in this side, and we just need to select. So this is our 3D model, and if you want to assign any color, so we can just right click on it, and then here go to appearance, and then here we will select the part. Okay, and part, and here you can see the different colors, so you can give any color to your model. So our model is ready. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thank you.